Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a photo collage on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the More section next to the website button and click to the second option, the photo collage. Here you have more chains. If you want to add pictures and other files to your project, just click to the uploads button, and here you can upload files to the Canva, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find images and videos from your device. In the element section, you can search different graphic elements, for example, shapes, stickers, charts, and more. If you want to add text to your project, just go to the text section and click to the add a text box option. If you want to draft, just click to the draft option and just draft to the canvas. If you go to the design section, you can find the different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer, and just select one and step on it. Now you can edit this template. If you want to move an item on your project, just click that and you can move and edit the size. If you want to change a picture, just go to the gallery or the uploads button, select a picture and just drag it to the selected frame. If you want to change the text, just click to the text box, delete the text, right? And now you can edit your text. If you want to change the style, just click to the arrow next to the add on text style button, and here you can choose another text style or font type. Just select one, and if you want to edit the size of your text, just click to the minus or the plus icon, and in the animate section next to the effects button, you can add a different animation to your text. If you go to the effects section, you can add shapes and shape effects. You can add shadows and shape effects to your text. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.